So at St Mary's Catholic School, our demographics are incredibly wide and diverse. We're the only Catholic school between Enfield and Cambridge. We have over 60 feeder primary schools. It's difficult for parents to know what St Mary's is like unless they can come and visit. Now, coming and visit is one thing, but actually seeing a day in the life of students in class learning, etc., and to have a video just showcasing what a day in the life is like being a student at St Mary's, we thought would be helpful. I think because it shows what a website doesn't show or what a book doesn't tell. It is the real students. It's the real students sharing their experiences, sitting in class learning, completing science experiments, out on the school PE field, for example, playing sport. The video helps reach a wide, diverse audience. School video production was recommended to us from a colleague who've worked with the company previously. There was a clear distinction, and I think what School Video Productions was able to offer was very much that bespoke student experience. It wasn't adult-led or from the head teacher's office, it was very much a student-led video, and that's what we want because ultimately the students are the heartbeat of our school. The assistance of the company was superb, and it really made sure that the days of filming were highly productive and effective and efficient to get the end product, which is what we wanted. And to kind of look at which different classrooms and perspectives we could utilise to show, again, when we've got over 60 classrooms in a school, which ones really showed the school to its best advantage. The help with the scripting, I think, was immense because it really made planning much easier. It meant we could group things together in a logical, coherent form where I wouldn't necessarily have the artistic or creative eye to look at. Whereas having a specialist production company who know and understand that would enable them to help us script accordingly. What's the audience looking for? What's the critical eye looking for? To make sure that the scripting really narrowed down the areas we wanted to focus on. And for us, what are our branding as a school? And for ours, it's love, respect and flourish. Well, that needs to be more than just 3 words on a page. And I think working with the scripting enabled us to make sure those 3 permeated the theme of our production. I have to be honest, when I got to the film that night, I think I showed it to all my family. I invited my sister and my niece and nephew to come around and watch it at home. And I think I was just so proud. Tremendous pride at not just the site, always and obviously the students, but I think as well just seeing the sheer pride people had in the school. And you could see that from the smiling faces. Maybe we take them for granted as a teacher every day, but when you see them on video, you realise the students really enjoy being at school here. Pre-parents' evening, we did actually have a staff screening. So we had the staff screening in advance, and the staff screening was just joyful. And it was nice because you could see the staff were very proud as well of how much they've achieved and how much the children just showed their joy, which came across so genuinely through the video. School Video Productions would be highly recommended, an incredibly professional, very, very efficient organisation. They helped us make a wonderful product, giving us their professional advice, their critique, their recommendations to make sure we had a product that, again, would last not just for the short term, but for long term too. So, superb company to work with, highly recommended.